stop. If you're doing Brazilian waxing like this, you're damaging your skin. Most people don't even realize they're making these mistakes, and they keep wondering why they get bumps, ingrown hairs, or pain every single time. But today, you're going to learn what actually works and what you need to stop doing immediately. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, and this one ruins everything. Waxing hair that's too short. If the wax can't properly grip the hair, you'll end up going over the same area again and again, which leads to irritation and damage. Your hair needs to be about 1/4 of an inch long for a clean, effective pull. Now here's another mistake that a lot of people ignore. Skipping proper cleansing. If your skin isn't clean, you're basically trapping bacteria into your pores during waxing. That's how bumps and breakouts start. Clean skin is not optional, it's essential. Next mistake. Using the wrong type of wax. Soft wax might seem easier, but for sensitive areas, it can be too harsh. Hard wax is usually the safer option because it grips the hair, not the skin. Now this mistake right here causes most of the pain people complain about. Pulling the wax the wrong way. Always apply in the direction of hair growth, and pull in the opposite direction. Get this wrong, and you're asking for ingrown hairs and unnecessary pain. Another thing people don't talk about enough. Waxing when your skin is extra sensitive, like during your period. Your pain tolerance is lower, and your skin reacts more easily. So if you can, avoid waxing during that time. Now this one is serious. Not holding your skin tight. If your skin is loose when you pull the wax, you can cause bruising or even skin lifting. Always keep the skin firm. Always. And finally, the mistake that shows up at after waxing. Skipping aftercare. This is why people deal with redness, irritation, and ingrown hairs days later. If you don't take care of your skin after waxing, you're undoing all the effort. So here's the right way to do it. Start with clean, dry skin. Exfoliate gently about 24 hours before, not immediately before. Apply your wax in the direction of hair growth. Hold your skin tight, and remove the wax quickly in the opposite direction. Then calm your skin immediately. Use something soothing like aloe vera to reduce redness and irritation. For the next 24 hours, avoid heat, sweat, and tight clothing. Your skin needs time to recover. And after a few days, start gentle exfoliation again to prevent ingrown hairs. If your skin is irritated, cut, or infected, do not wax. Wait until your skin is fully healed. If you've been making any of these mistakes, now you know exactly what to fix. Your results don't depend on luck, they depend on technique. And once you get it right, everything changes. If this helped you, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more real, no-nonsense self-care tips.